Hey developers, are you looking to build and secure RESTful APIs with Laravel? In this video, I'll walk you through creating powerful APIs with Laravel, covering everything from setup to security best practices. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that will help you optimize your API for performance. Let's dive in. First, let's set up a new Laravel project for API development. Run the following command composer create project. Prefer dist Laravel API_project next. Configure the .env file to set up database connections. Once that's done, let's create a model and migration for our API resource. Laravel makes it easy to define API routes. Open and add route, AP resource, posts, post controller class. Now generate a controller PHP artisan make controller post controller API. This creates a controller with built-in methods for handling CRUD operations. Let's add some CRUD functionality to our post controller. Create a post public function store, request $request. Retrieve post public function index. Update a post public function update, request $request, post $post. Delete a post public function, destroy post $post. Now your API is functional. Security is crucial. To authenticate API requests, let's use Laravel Sanctum Composer. Require Laravel Sanctum PHP artisan vendor publish. Provider, Laravel Sanctum service provider. Now enable authentication in, use Laravel Sanctum ATP middleware ensure front-end requests are stateful, protected $middleware groups =. To issue tokens, modify your user model, use Laravel Sanctum, has API tokens, class user extends authenticatable. Now users can authenticate via API tokens securely. To prevent bad data from entering your API, always validate input public function store, request $request, max 255. For consistent error handling, create a custom error response return response, JSON error unauthorized 401. This keeps your API secure and user-friendly. As promised, here's a pro tip. Improve API performance by using pagination return post, paginate 10, caching responses cache, remember posts 60, function, optimizing queries with eager loading post with comments get. These techniques can significantly speed up your API. That's a wrap on our Laravel API development guide. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Laravel content. Also, drop a comment below with your favorite Laravel API tip. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more Laravel tutorials, your channel link. Share your Laravel API development experience